Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install TailsOS 6.19 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website, that is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release is 6.19. Okay, then click on burning a Tails DVD to download. See here we have the two options: download ISO image, this is the direct method, and by using BitTorrent. Either is fine. Okay, I am going to download by using direct method. So click on this download Tails 6.19 ISO image. See, download started, and see here its size is about 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on this new button or machine and select new, both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Tails. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Okay. Then ISO image. So select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, and select this one, and OS version is Debian 64-bit. Okay, then specify the hardware information. By default it has selected 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Okay, so okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on this settings button, or go to machine and select settings. Okay, all three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.19, and hit enter. See, this is the welcome page, and see here default language, keyboard layout and formats all are US, English US. Okay, if you want to change language, click on here and select the language or search in the search box. Okay, I am going with all these three defaults, and if you want to create persistent storage, you have to turn on, otherwise turn off. Okay, and additional settings. Okay, see here we have these options, all are off by these are the default options. Okay, if you want to set the password for administration, click on here, then provide the password and confirm the same. Then click on add. The same way, if you want to enable or offline mode, by default is enabled. Okay, see, these are network connection obsolete. Okay, if you want to modify any one of them, just you need to click on them and you have to enable. Okay, close this, cancel this one. I am okay with these settings. Okay, then click on start Tails. Now if you want to connect tar, just you have to select this connect to tar automatically and click on connect to tar. Okay, now open terminal, go to applications, then click on show applications. See here we have the terminal, open it. Now verify the version, more/etc OS-release. See, the version of the Tails is 6.1 and its ID is Debian. Okay, quick control it. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter, then provide the password of administration that we have set. Hit enter. Okay, in the background, see here connected to tar successfully. So click on start tar browser. See, we got the tar browser. See here the default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.19 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux or cyber security tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.